So over here, you can see that I have this particular image right here. And if I were to go ahead and zoom in, then you can see that I got some spots that I would like to remove from this photo. So in order to do that, you can actually utilize something called the spot healing tool. So to do that, you can see the banded like icon right here. You get to this while you're on the developer mode. That is develop mode, and then once you click on this, you get the mode right here, which is the content aware removed, as you can see. If I were to go ahead and then click and drag it, I can brush, as you can see, and it'll take the nearest similar a similar type of the pattern and will replace it, as you can see right here. So you can go ahead and move this up and down, as you can see right here as well. So everything that you do right here is non-destructive. I can simply go ahead, change the size of the brush as well, and then click right here just like this to remove it out as well, and that is what you have. You can go ahead and let me just go ahead and delete this, and then let me just go around over here, and then just go around over here. So just go around with the hand tool, move around, and then I want to remove these as well. So I'm just going to go around over here and then click and drag this out right, and see that it gets removed right here just like this. So sometimes it is not perfect, as you can see right here. So you can remove out these spots right here as you need. So if you don't like how something is erased, you can simply go ahead and then delete it once more just like this as well. So let me just go ahead and delete this out right here. Just like this and so forth. So this is the automatic mode right here, and sometimes that doesn't work out, and in that case you got the heal tool as well. And once you go around over here and click, then what happens is that this is what you have. It actually takes a reference nearby just like this, as you can see right here. So there's the nearby reference that it is taking, and you can actually go ahead and then utilize this. You can click to actually change the reference point as you want from over here as well, and then adjust it according to how you want. So let's say for this one as well, let me just go ahead and then take a reference point, and you can see that this is the reference point. You can click and drag it around to get the reference as you need, just like this as well. You can also go around over here onto this point right here, and then take out this reference point right here just like this, as you can see. So apart from that, you can see that there's the clone tool over here just like this as well, that you can actually go ahead and simply change it out. You can see that it doesn't smudge everything but simply clones out. You can go around over here onto this tool, and that is what you have. And that is how you can work around with spot healing tool inside of Adobe Lightroom Classic. So I hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe